Hi everyone, my name is Sriyank Siddhartha and welcome to my course Firebase on Android, the Big Picture. I am a freelance Android developer and trainer with years of experience in mobile-related technologies. Google Firebase lets you develop high-quality applications that are easy to scale and maintain at the same time. In this course, we are going to explore all the core Firebase products and features that solves common challenges faced by Android developers. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include Introduction to Firebase as a useful technology, Firebase products that lets you build high-quality applications, how you can maintain and improve applications quality, how to use Firebase features to grow user base, user engagement, and therefore earn more money. And finally, we will integrate Firebase to an Android application. By the end of this course, you will know why and when to use Firebase to develop and maintain high-quality applications to flourish your business. To take this course, you should be a tech enthusiast looking for solutions to various problems that a developer usually face. I hope you will join me on this journey to get a big picture of Firebase on Android only at Pluralsight.